students, today we have discussed about number series and some definitions. So first is complex number. Complex number is in the form of a plus iota b, where a is the real number and iota b is the imaginary part. So complex number is divided into two parts, that is real part and the imaginary part, or real numbers or imaginary numbers. Real numbers are also divided into two parts, that is rational numbers and irrational numbers. Now rational numbers are also divided into two parts, integers and fractions. Integers have also two parts, whole numbers and negative integers. Whole numbers are natural and zero. Next, fractions are also divided into three parts, that is proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Now their definitions are: complex number, any number that can be written in the form of a plus iota b, where a is the real part and iota b is the imaginary part, are called complex numbers. Iota, the value of iota is equal to square root of -1, and this number cannot be expressed on number line. Now real number, in a number system, the combination of rational and irrational numbers, these numbers can be expressed on the number line. Now next is rational number, the numbers which can be written in the form of p upon q, where q not equal to 0. Rational number can also be expressed as terminating or repeating decimals. Now next is irrational numbers, the numbers which can be written in the form of p upon q, q not equal to 0. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्क्वायर रूट 2, स्क्वायर रूट 3, स्क्वायर रूट 5 आर इरेशनल नंबर. अगर यहाँ पे क्यू जो है इक्वल टू 0 हो जाता है तो ये फॉर्म बन जाएगी इन्फिनिटी. So q not equal to 0, and irrational numbers can also be expressed as non-terminating or non-repeating decimals. Next definition is integers. All positive, negative, zero are integers. They don't include decimals and fractions. Next one is whole numbers. Any number between 0 to infinity. They don't include decimals and fractions. Next definition is natural numbers. The numbers that starts with 1 and continue without end. They don't include fractions and decimals. Next number is fraction. A fraction represents a part of whole or a division of one number by another. For example, 1 upon 3, 7 upon 20, 9 upon 2, etc. are the examples of fractions. Now, their part is proper fraction. A fraction where the numerator is smaller than denominator. जहाँ पे न्यूमिनेटर जो है डिनोमिनेटर से स्मॉल होगा वो फ्रैक्शन बनेगा प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3 upon 4, 7 upon 20, 1 upon 3, etc. are the example of proper fraction. Now next one is improper fraction, a fraction where the numerator is bigger than denominator. For example, 5 upon 2, 11 upon 3, 17 upon. Next one is mixed fraction, a fraction that combines a whole number and a proper fraction. These are the examples of mixed fraction. Now next is prime numbers, a number that can be divided exactly only by 1 and itself. जो नंबर सिर्फ खुद से डिवाइड होगा या 1 से डिवाइड होगा वो नंबर है प्राइम नंबर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. are the examples of prime numbers, and the smallest prime number is 2. Next one is odd numbers. The numbers which cannot be divided by 2 are called odd numbers. For example, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 are the examples of odd numbers. Next one is even numbers. The numbers which can be divided by 2. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. are the examples of even numbers. Now number line. Number line, this is 0, 0 to infinity, and this is minus infinity. Means राइट साइड जो है आपके पास पॉजिटिव नंबर्स चलेंगे एंड लेफ्ट साइड होते हैं माइनस में नंबर. ठीक है, सो ये नंबर जो है माइनस इन्फिनिटी तक और ये नंबर प्लस इन्फिनिटी तक. And 1 to infinity are natural number, 0 to infinity are whole numbers, and all the numbers are real numbers, and this is negative numbers and positive numbers are integers, and जो number fraction में होंगे वो rational और जो square root में होंगे वो number आ जाएंगे irrational. So this is number line.